Welcome to our channel. Today we're making everyone's favorite and traditional dessert, carrot halwa. This is a delicious and aromatic dessert that is perfect for special occasions or to satisfy your sweet cravings. So let's get started. Carrots, molasses, oil, cardamom, dry fruits, powdered milk. In a pressure cooker, add the carrots and jaggery. This is where the magic begins. Close the pressure cooker and let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the carrots will be soft and fully cooked. The aroma will already start filling your kitchen. And mash them well. In a pan, heat some oil. The sizzling oil and the fragrance of cardamom, just imagine it. Add crushed cardamom and let its aroma bloom. Then add the mashed carrot mixture into the pan. As soon as the carrots hit the pan, the fragrance will spread throughout your kitchen. Now sauté the carrots well. During this, add barfi, dry fruits, and powdered milk to enhance the flavor. These ingredients will take your halwa to the next level. Your delicious Gajar Ka Halwa is ready. Serve it hot or chilled. Trust me, it tastes incredible both ways. Make sure to share this recipe with your friends and family and let us know in the comments how your halwa turned out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes. Thank you!